Hey there, it's Ryan Skaggs, and this is the Mortgage Minute. Do you want to know where interest rates are going to go in 2022? I've got those answers next. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning into the Mortgage Minute channel. This channel is dedicated to everything mortgage, real estate, and interest rates, and we're going to dive into those interest rates today. So first and foremost, where are we at today? Being late December, late December, the average 30-year fixed according to Freddie Mac, 3.12, just a slight increase, from what we've seen from the week before, and really basically the same where we've been for the last 3 to 4 weeks now. So check out the link below. I've got that linked along with some other links that are of relevance for you as well. But while you're down there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and click that bell icon to be notified as I'm putting out weekly videos on the channel, again, on everything mortgage, real estate, and interest rates. So thank you so much. All right, so let's talk about the forecast for 2022. Well, in the last week, we probably had the biggest news or information shift from the Fed or the Federal Reserve. So I won't get into kind of the specifics of monetary policy and things like that, but they basically told us that inflation's going up. We all know that. They're appreciating that fact. And they said they're going to raise their Fed funds rate 3 times in 2022 is their initial plan. So what does that mean for rates? That means the corresponding rates that go along with it, again, I won't get into the kind of economics of all that, is likely going to increase as well. A majority of the projections for 2022 interest rates are mid to high 3% range on the 30-year fixed. So if you look at National Association of Realtors, Mortgage Bankers Association, Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, a lot of these others, they all put projections out, and a majority of them are between, I would say almost all of them are between 3.5% and 4% is their range on the average 30-year fixed. A few of them think we're going to stay a little bit lower, but a majority of them by end of 22 have us in that mid to high 3% range. Now, what does that mean for your purchasing power? Or if you're looking to buy in 2022, you better listen up. This is for you right now, right? So let's give you an example. If you're going to borrow $500,000, may seem like a lot, depending on where you're looking at, may seem like a little, right? But with that said, $500,000, if you got a 3% rate, in 1 year you got a 4% rate, so that means the rates went up by 1%. What would that do to your monthly payment? Let's assume the price of the home stays exactly the same. That difference in payment is more than $275 per month. So you could essentially be leasing a nice little car there for $275 a month difference. So yes, we do see interest rates going up. Yes, that is going to kind of call into some purchasing power for people. With that said, the flip side of that coin is that we're at historic lows. We're at literally close to a 50-year low in interest rates, right? We've hit that over the last 18 months. And if you look back, we're in double digits, decades ago, right? So like when you look at the full picture, being in the 3% range, or rate starts with a 3, and just last year rates that started with a 2 potentially, we really are at historic lows. So I wouldn't necessarily be scared of that necessarily payment going up, but I would be budgeting for it. So that is my takeaway for you today, is to make sure you are considering when are you going to buy. If you're going to be buying in, say, summer or fall of 2022, you better be budgeting for a higher interest rate than where we're at today. If you're open to purchasing in 22, my advice to you would be start early. Don't wait for the Super Bowl or this or that, depending on what market you might be in. Get in there, start seeing what's going on, because now is an absolute great time to lock in essentially an historically low rate of where we're at on that 30-year fixed chart. So again, links below for you. So this will be the last video of the year since we're getting into the holiday season. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for coming into the channel, liking the content, and hopefully enjoying it as well. Be safe, happy holidays, and we'll see each other again very, very soon.